Today we're going to start at Willis Palms trailhead, but go across the road and go out in front of the mountain. It'll take us around, catch the trail that goes back
toward Pushawalla.
Yeah, the top of Pushawalla, and then the trail back toward the visitor center until we get back to where the stream runs down and back to the car.
In other words, we got to walk back down this road.
No, we're going to not on the road, in the desert.
We follow the stream until it peters out.
Yeah. Well, you've never done that. Jim and I have done it 3 or 4 times now.
Yeah, right.
Okay, let's go.
This stream starts at the oasis by the visitor center. There's a big marsh that's out there and water gathers.
We started down where those palms are, between those 2 trees. That's Willis Palms. We went around the other side of this big mountain here, and I think you could see the draw right here. See that sandy part? We came up there to those palms, and then we came up the mountain to this spot. And that has been, nearly 2 hours.
Well, we stopped it.
An hour and a half.
Oh, an hour and a half.
An hour and a half.
Boat doing out here?
I think it's to drive signs or something, stakes into the ground. It's probably hollow on the other side.
Oh, you saw that on the ground?
It is. Yeah, it is. You can tell. It is. Oh, that's what it is.
Yeah, put a stake in.
Drive those stakes.
Oh, you go like that.
Yeah.
It's heavy though.
Yeah, well, it would need to be.
Huh. That's
Just put a stake in there and then bang, bang,
you
bang.
just
And
go like that.